As we start the day here in the morning at 6 o'clock in the morning, this is what we're doing here with the hot back. And stay tuned for more to come as we progress on the day. I'll end up getting you back to the classic, how much power we bring in at a certain time. Stay tuned. jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Alright, just a few minutes later, very close to an hour. This is what we already generated from the system. Good morning, jwsolarusa. Stay tuned for more to come, as showing you how the Outback is waking up in the morning at 0600 hours to 0630 to 700 hours. You see what we're doing here at the command center, jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. Alright, back again a few hours later. I'll show you the performance, what's coming in now with the classic. All the power combined with the Outback and the classic, and pushing the power back to the battery through the shunt, and see all the combined power coming out from both charge controllers. jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Give a thumbs up to the video if you like it. Thank you. Oh yeah, from the command center, jwsolarusa. We're pumping some power, folks. We're pushing a lot of power here. And you guys see the update to the system. You guys see 58.3 amps. Yeah, this is awesome. So if you're just joining in or tuning in, welcome to jwsolarusa. We're making some power, y'all. We're making some power here. Thanks for sorry for the shaking. My hand is shaking. So that's right. Alright folks, stay tuned for more to come live from the channel, jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now. Alright, subscribe, like, and share.